Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to translate WhatsApp messages. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first of all guys, open App Store or Play Store if you use Android device. Then in the search bar, search for Google Translate. Then download Google Translate in your phone. After download it and install it, now come back to your WhatsApp. Then go to message that you want to translate, for example this one. Press and hold it and copy it. Then come back to Google Translate and paste it here. Now as you can see, the message has been translated successfully. You can also select any language you want, for example English to Arabic or English to Spanish, or for example Spanish to French. You have the freedom to translate any language you want. So this is guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.